Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to make those nasty looking headlights like brand new again. You can see how foggy those things are. We're demonstrating on a Dodge Magnum, guys. We have many videos about headlight restoration, but we have specific ones for every car that we make, so you can see how well that method works, and it restores them completely, not just a temporary deal until you wash them. And as you can see, this one, you can see how foggy it is. It's hard to see even inside the headlight. So what we're going to use is we'll be using 600 sandpaper, wet sandpaper, and some water. You need to, guys, tape it around the headlight so you don't damage the paint with the sandpaper. And now we need to sand the headlight. Okay, you can see that foamy yellowish stuff coming out of it. That's bad. That's the burnt stuff. That's the road grime. That's the sun damage that you're sanding now. Okay, and you need to sand the whole headlight. It will probably take you about 3 to 5 minutes to do the whole headlight. And you're going to stop when you see clear white foam coming out of it, not yellowy, just clear white. And it needs to be even. You need to be able to see inside the headlight. Alright, guys, after that you need to rinse it, and we're going to use 1200 sandpaper. And you need to start sanding it again. That one will buff the scratches out of the 600. We use 6 and 1200 because this one was pretty bad. Otherwise you can use 1000 and 2000 after that. So we started with 600 because this one needed a lot. As you can see, that's how bad it was. Like this one here, it actually has little holes inside the plastic. Not very good at all. So stay with us, guys, to see how we're going to make that thing like brand new now. And at the end now we're going to finish it with 2000 to buff the scratches out of 1200, because that way it will polish super easy. We'll show you what we're going to use and how we're going to make that thing like brand new again. Alright, guys, after that you need to dry it, and you can pull the tape out so you don't have any water, and we're going to polish it. You can actually tape it again if you want to when you polish it, but you're not going to hurt it if you had a good foamy part like that. Okay, and as you can see, it's done now, but we're going to make it crystal clear now. We just made the plastic super smooth that way, and we took the damaged layer off. Now we're going to be using the 3M Perfect-It series. We're going to use number 1 and 2. That's the part numbers if you need them. They have them in small quantities, but something like that is going to last you probably for about 200 headlights, guys. First one is rubbing it compound, so you need to get some and apply on the headlight. Okay, just cover the whole headlight really good, and we're going to polish it with the polisher now at probably 17 to 1900 RPMs. If it's adjustable, if it's not, it's fine. Just don't stay at one spot too long, because you can make the plastic too hot and melt it. So you need to be moving back and forth pretty quick. Okay, we'll show you what to do now. Okay, that's the foam pad that we're using now at about 1900. Okay, guys, you can see how good it is, and now it's going to get even better. We're going to use number 2 now, and number 2, it's machine polish. It's going to buff the scratches out of one. Shake those things good, guys, because if you don't use them for a long time, you need to shake them. Okay, this one is kind of like grayish color, as you can see, and again, just apply a thin layer on the whole headlight, and go ahead and buff it again at about 1900 RPMs. Okay, you can see, and it's going to look like new. And if you do that, if you just apply the wax by hand and just wipe it every 6 months, the headlight will stay good for forever pretty much. You'll be like new all the time. Okay guys, as you can see, that's what we have right now. Crystal clear headlight. Look at that thing. It's shiny, it's like brand new. You can see inside, super nice. And now compare it to this one, guys. Okay, that's what we had before, okay, right here, and that's what we have right now. So you let us know what you think about that method, if it's good, if it's not, if you're happy with it. Don't just do anything that will be temporary until you wash it. This one will restore them and make them like new for a long time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.